Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to get Unity theme on Apple Watch. The first thing you need to do is open the Watch app on your iPhone. Then you are going to tap on Face Gallery at the bottom of the page. And from here you'll see Unity Mosaic. If you do not see it when you go into Face Gallery, what I recommend you do is tap on My Watch in the bottom left hand corner. Then you are going to select General, and from here you are going to tap on Software Update, the second option from the top, and you are going to check if an update is available, and you are going to update your Apple Watch. After you have updated it, you are going to go back into Face Gallery, tap on Unity Mosaic, and from here you can simply scroll down. You can also change the color, as you can see right there. You have color options on how you can personalize it. Then you'll simply tap on Add right below Unity Mosaic, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.